सर ये साइड
बात है आगे
और इधर आगे जो
थोड़ा टेबल लूँ क्या आगे
नहीं नहीं नहीं
पीछे करो भाई
होल्ड होल्ड होल्ड
हाँ हाँ
थैंक यू सर
थैंक यू आ जाए तेज आपकी अरे वन पिक्चर विथ यू
Born in the same month.
डन भाई एक मिनट
Guys, ready?
Yeah.
Rolling?
रोली मैम
Very much congratulations. Firstly, I wish you a very happy birthday.
थैंक यू
Glamon आपने इतनी amazing property बना दी है. आज 4th edition है, and we see like array of artists from the seasoned artists from their own field. What do you have to say? How did this whole concept happen? And tell us about this.
ओ सुपर एक्साइटेड देखते ही देखते एक बच्चा 4 साल का हो चुका है एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग विच वी वर नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड दैट विल ग्रो ग्लैमॉन एक विजन था कि ग्लैमॉन के थ्रू हम एक मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन कर सके जहाँ पे हम ये दिखाएं कि क्रिएटिविटी आर्ट और टैलेंट जो अपकमिंग टैलेंट्स एंड वेटरन टैलेंट्स है ये सब कैसे एक फ्रेम में एक झांकी झलकी में हम दिखा सके इसका पूरा कॉन्सेप्चुअल आइडिया था कि हर साल ग्लैमॉन कुछ नया करे और आपके लिए एक ऐसी टेबल पे सुंदर कैलेंडर ले आए जो आप हमेशा रख सके और हमेशा देख के उसका आनंद ले सके चौथा साल बहुत चैलेंजिंग था हर साल सोचते कि क्या करेंगे इस साल जब वी सेट डाउन विद सायान वी सेट डाउन विद रेहान वी सेट डाउन विद द टीम तब ये आइडिया आया कि लेट्स डू बी बॉलीवुड और आज का कैलेंडर का कुछ ही देर में हम आपको ये सारा कैलेंडर का रिलीज़ दिखाएंगे और ये कैलेंडर में ये पता चलेगा कि इन सारे जाने माने नोन पीपल जो कैलेंडर में है उनका क्या रोल है किस तरह से उन्होंने बखूबी अपना काम निभाया है और इस कैलेंडर को कैसे आगे ले आए एज एवरी ईयर ग्रोज चौथा साल है चौथे साल में जब इतना बड़ा कैलेंडर किया है अब ये डर लगता है कि अगले साल क्या करेंगे सो इवेंचुअली येस ग्लैमॉन इज़ अ प्रॉपर्टी जहाँ पे हम हर साल लाएंगे और हर साल आपको ये कैलेंडर में बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाएंगे जो क्रिएटिव और टैलेंट से जुड़ी हुई होगी दैट्स ऑल अबाउट ब्लैंक कैनवस मीडिया टू शोकेस अबाउट द ग्लैमॉन
Tell us about the concept, the theme, and the people who are there.
द थीम इज़ एज आई सेड बी बॉलीवुड कॉन्सेप्ट में सयान और हमने सोचा था कि बॉलीवुड के आइकॉनिक पोस्टर्स को हम री इन्वेंट करें एक ट्रिब्यूट दें उन सारे मूवीज़ को और इसी के कारण इस साल का कैलेंडर टॉक्स अबाउट बी बॉलीवुड देवदास से लेके रामलीला से लेके बाहुबली के सारे आइकॉनिक पोस्टर्स हम री रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स एंड द न्यू टैलेंट्स जहाँ पे राजीव अदातिया मानिया सिंह फ्रॉम करंट बिग बॉस 16 वी हैव आरती सिंह वी हैव पीयूष सहदेव वी हैव नायरा बैनर्जी वी हैव रोहित खंडेलवाल एक्स मिस्टर वर्ल्ड वी हैव सृष्टि रोड वी हैव द बिगेस्ट talent and my very good friend Anupriya Goenka even she is showcasing this year in the calendar so this year the calendar is magnanimous अगर आप देख सकते हैं सबके pictures हैं even there is a comeback of Karishma Modi being a supermodel being Miss India ex Miss India even she is back in the calendar and काफ़ी challenging रहा सारे actors को एक साथ लाना इकट्ठा under one roof but we made it thanks to Sayan, Rehan, my entire team and all my sponsors basically who have been a part of this I think the बिगेस्ट थैंक यू टू वामन हरी पेठे ज्वेलर्स जो अभी वेरी सून यहाँ होंगे हमारे साथ कैलेंडर लॉन्च में एंड अमेज़1 टीवी जिसके कारण वी आर बीन शोकेसिंग टुडे द ओपनिंग द कैलेंडर इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन द टीवी दिस ईयर अनलाइक वी पुट इट अप अक्रॉस प्रिंटेड मॉड्यूल बट हाँ आए हो तो कैलेंडर लेके जाना थैंक यू
Before we let you go, we would like to know आपने किस आर्टिस्ट के साथ कौन सा पोस्टर
आई थिंक शुड वी रिवील दिस ऑलराइट सो वी हैव टू ओपन अप द कैलेंडर हमारे पास है अनुप्रिया गोइंका जो मणिकर्णिका का रोल करने वाली है इस कैलेंडर में वी हैव अस्मिता सूद जो हम आपके हैं कौन कर रही है रामलीला जहां प्रतीक जैन और सुपर मॉडल श्री राधे कर रही है बेस्ट फ्रेम है आई थिंक मुझे मेरा फेवरेट है वो तनु वेड्स मनु है जहाँ पे हम आरती सिंह को और राजीव अदातिया को साथ में देखेंगे आई थिंक दे आर टू फनी दे आर अमेजिंग पीपल टू डील विद यस नायरा बैनर्जी डूइंग देवदास बिकॉज उसकी आंखें ऐश्वर्य जैसी है और हमने उसको यूटिलाइज किया है मानिया सिंह वाह, मान्या सिंह दिस ईयर हैज़ बीन लकी इन टर्म्स ऑफ बिग बॉस में थी. हमने इस साल उनके साथ एक आइकॉनिक कैलेंडर पोस्टर किया है, दैट इज़ पेइंग अ ट्रिब्यूट टू 25 इयर्स ऑफ दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे विद विशाल सिंह. और ये एक बहुत अनोखा कैलेंडर रहा है. इसमें हम आपके हैं कौन इज़ डन बाय पारस कलनावट एंड सृष्टि, आई फॉरगॉट हर नेम, सॉरी, बट या पारस कलनावट है एंड तानिया सिंह है, तानिया शर्मा, सॉरी. एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट वी हैड सृष्टि रोड, जिसने एक काफ़ी अच्छा पद्मावत कैरेक्टर किया हुआ है विद खिलजी प्लेड बाय लक्ष्य शर्मा. एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट बाहुबली, जो एक बहुत आइकॉनिक मूवी था, इसमें हमने श्रुति सिन्हा को लिया है अलॉन्ग विद वैभव मौर्य. सो ये सारे दिग्गज इस एक कैलेंडर में एक साथ काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. रिसेंटली मिशन मजनू के मीर सरवर जी, ये भी हमारे कैलेंडर में प्ले कर रहे हैं अमिताभ बच्चन फॉर कभी खुशी कभी गम. और ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स को मिला के हमने पूरा एक कैलेंडर तैयार किया है जो आपके सामने वेरी सून रेडी हो जाएगा और आपको दिखाएंगे हम अभी. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
While I ask you,
Yeah, yeah, look.
so congratulations. आज डबल मैमी है, ग्लैमॉन का लॉन्च है कैलेंडर का, प्लस पॉलीमर का बर्थडे है. So आप Mr. Bachchan, that's the character, the poster character that
Yeah.
you're playing. So tell us about your whole experience.
Well, it was an amazing experience because I've been part of as a guest from last 3 years. Yeah. But for the first time, I'm being part of the calendar. I'm part of the calendar, and it was an amazing shoot. And when I came to know that they're planning something like the film posters, and mine will be Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, and I said like, yo, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. I go, wow. For a day, I'll live a life of Mr. Bachchan. So it was amazing, and I had a great time on shoot. He's an amazing guy and a wonderful host. So बड़ा मज़ा आया. और I was looking completely different. Like it took me 20 years back because I remember when I started my modeling in '99 in Delhi. So I was exactly many of my choreographers and designers used to tell me, यार तुम तो ऐसे ही दिखते हो अभी भी, like तुम्हें थोड़ा सा स्टाइल अभी भी है. मैंने कहा yes. बचपन नहीं कहेंगे, but I've done it long time ago, and it was good. I had fun, and I'm really excited to watch the final product.
सबका ड्रीम रहता है for Mr. Bachchan at least to get in their career, work with him, get closer to of course in the working space. You've got this lovely opportunity to enact him in that. What is the whole process, the whole emotion, the whole feeling behind it?
Well, as I said, like I felt really good that I'm playing Mr. Bachchan on for a day on that particular poster because it's every actor's dream. I'm an actor, and I've been fortunate enough to work with many actors, good directors, and wonderful teams, wonderful production houses. I've not yet worked with Mr. Bachchan, but I'm looking forward. Inshallah, kabhi na kabhi बहुत जल्द काम करेंगे उनके साथ भी. But being part of being him, playing him for a day was an amazing experience. In fact, subconsciously, I remember I was making one reel. After I saw that video, I was walking like him. I didn't know that. I actually just thought for a while like I'm him, and when I saw that reel later on, I was saying like my hand was like this and I was doing like this. So ये हो गया. So it's good. It's amazing.
Varun, I'm sure आपका भी कुछ favorite एक scene रहा होगा, एक poster रहा होगा, from the entire lot. Which one was yours in that?
I think as a producer for the complete calendar and to make the calendar, सारे frames बहुत favorite थे. I think more than talking about the favorite, because सारे favorite है, एक को बोलूँ एक को ना बोलूँ, it's not the right thing for me. But yeah, the most challenging was Mir Bhai's calendar shoot, because it was not only Amitabh Bachchan but it was a full family. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum ki. So the biggest frame I think is Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, where we have 6 characters put together as a family. वो एक mood लाना, वो mood swing लाना, वो emotions लाने as a family, and to give that chemistry was challenging but equally interesting. So I think that was the best one which he's done, and I think it's a delight to work with him. And recently with Mir Bhai coming on Mission Majnu, I think it's more of it's a blessing to us as a blank canvas के right time पे calendar में भी है और right time पे
Mission Majnu
Mission Majnu
trending
में भी
number
है.
1 on Netflix right now and worldwide number 2.
That's really nice. So wish you guys all the luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Flag. Yes. Sir.
Yes, smile, smile.
So this side.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Share, please stay back.
Aye.
Canvas that we are seeing right in front of
Thank
us.
you so
and
much.
We have hearing all the praises. It's a lovely concept.
I just saw-
You know, tell us about your whole process shooting all these lovely people. Just step forward a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, Shah.
So, while we planned the look and everything, it was Be Bollywood that we were planning for. And then we started handpicking the theme and the concept and everything. Me and Parimal started discussing, and then Rehan joined in. And then the final day of shooting. So many people, and they were all so supportive. And it was a picnic. Actually, later part we said that, we thought there will be so much of problems and everything, but it was so amazing, and we had no problems. Nobody had any issues, and everybody was so excited. It was like a small family, and we had a great time shooting. And later part, even while editing, we were also excited. After every picture I complete, and I send it to Parimal, and he would get excited like a small baby. He would be like, "Oh my God, this is looking so good." So that's how we enjoyed even while editing the photos. And as you all see the result of it today, and it was a fun thing, and we had a great time shooting for it. Thank you so
Which
much.
is your favorite picture?
They're all my babies. So to take out one name, I'll be
This
partial
tricky
to
question
others.
is coming to everyone.
It's a little trick.
Every month that I put it like that.
Do you remember?
It's very difficult. All the months are very special to me, but I personally, actually no, I don't want to comment on this.
Right, past that, Rehan, lovely styling, everybody's looking gorgeous. Tell us your whole experience.
Thank you, Parul. For the cover page, I got the brief that it should be very red carpet, so we decided black and silver. You can see that I am completely
Black and
in
silver.
Black and silver. So, and though it's like Be Bollywood, so my main thing was like filmfare cover. How can we present them? It should look cohesive. So we started selecting the garments. Like we gave each different look to the television stars as the model, so they all should look in a cohesive. The group shot should look completely like red carpet. So if you get to see the entire collage out here, they have been given exclusive made lace gloves, so that it give a completely edgy kind of look. And I have played with the headgears, gloves, feathers. So it was fun shooting, and I think now you can see how they all are looking. For me, it's like everyone is looking fabulous.
Any favorite pick of yours?
From the calendar. Honestly speaking, each month speaks like it's Be Bollywood, and we have really worked really hard. And being a stylist, I wanted everything to go prim and proper, because we are recreating the iconic posters which you're gonna see when after unveiling the calendar. So it should not look like a joke that okay, we have just taken the color combination or maybe the style. From head to toe, each detailing I have been into, and we all have worked really hard.
Yeah.
Sayan, Parimal, it's been lovely working with Parimal. He gave me full freedom to create the looks, and I think the end result, I'm sure you guys gonna tell us, and it's fabulous. But my favorite, see, every month is like a different iconic posters, but the full of drama is like Manikarnika, then Bajirao Mastani,
Chalo, we have some
Ramlila.
favorites.
and Ramlila. Though I really like all the months, and one has put in a lot of effort, but these are three which are my favorites.
Your experience with both boys.
Oh, I think every year it is a challenge that who will do my calendar, and this year also, after a firm decision of moving forward from the last 2-3 years, the team, I said who will be the right thing. And when it came to posters, it was a very a closed door decision that it cannot be anybody better than Sayan. He's iconic. His photography is with the posters. He plays well with the colors. He is knowing what he has to get on the table, and it eventually happened. A lot of times I told him that Sayan, ye kar lete, and he was like not budging at all. कि नहीं ऐसे ही होगा, जो करना है कर लो, but ऐसे ही होगा. So those fights which were on the table was very interesting. With Rehan, of course, there was a lot of thought of which styler will come on board, who will come on board, which stylist will come on board. I wanted this to come back because it happened that this started first that styler, and he said stylist bolna hai. And trust me, when I went back to him and when he was doing the entire calendar shoot jab chal raha tha, I was this year I can say that I was very relaxed because with photography he was dealing, with clothing he was dealing, he was knowing exactly what to get on board, what the look has to be, and we were all relaxed. And trust me, the way these two people have worked with me, we really feel that by the grace of God, years on years with Glamour, we see all three of us growing together, and this calendar just moves on the right pace in the industry.
And we are already planning for the next one. That'll be bigger dhamaka.
Yes, 5th year it has to be big. So after this benchmarking, we have to move to the next level up. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Side or this side? First the picture. Done? Yeah. Sure.
When would you like to? Congratulations for such a wonderful association.
No, come together. No, we need together.
Wonderful association with
Yeah.
Thank you. At your end, what would you like to say?
Okay, so I'll introduce first. It's important. For this entire calendar to happen, there are three major pillars apart from blank canvas. One is, of course, Ashish sir from Vamanari Pethe Jewellers. And second is our Amaze One TV, Asif Khan. And third is from Nikon, Mr. Suhas. These three people have come up together to make this year more stronger, more better, and more creative. So I'll not talk much because I've spoken enough. I'll leave it for Ashish sir first to speak at joining us as calendar this year. How was it completely?
Good evening. It is my pleasure to join hands with Parimalji and Blank Canvas for the Glamour calendar. I've known him for a couple of years and he's a very creative guy. And I've seen his earlier three calendars. They have been wonderful, quite innovatively done. So when he approached us, we want to do something, would you like to join hands? So I immediately said yes. And the concept was wonderful, taking on the super hit Bollywood movies and recreating them. That was something unique which was never done before. And so it was a challenge for us also to get the right kind of jewelry for the right kind of look.
Absolutely.
So it was fun working with them. And our creative team, Meghna, everyone, we all loved working on the
I think
so
we're missing Meghna right now.
So I congratulate you on this lovely
Thank you,
launch.
sir.
And we are happy to join hands with you. And all
I
the
hope
best.
years on years I have you with me.
God willing, yes.
So apart from that, yes, I think the entire this year's calendar is opening up this year on TV, and that is the main thing that we said. It is an amazing year for us, and the whole media, whole industry, whole characters have shouted loudly that amazing thing coming up. So here's to the amazing person who's got this and joined hands with us.
Thank you.
Tell us about your association whole experience.
Yeah, so my name is Asif Khan. I'm from Amaze One, and this is really a wonderful experience for me to be associated with the Glamour team. Parimal was a creative person that we all know since this is our first year. So he was continuously taking follow-up with me, and he has informed me the creative way of launching the calendar. He wanted my television the calendar should be launched on the television. So that was something creative for me. So I immediately said yes, let's do it. And next year, inshallah, we'll we join hands this year, and inshallah we will try to give him many more sponsors. So thank you, Parimal, for giving me an opportunity. And
Thank you for being on board. Because I had to trace him a lot to come on board as I we are doing it.
That is true. Since it is the beginning of Amaze One, so I am quite busy in my manufacturing units. So that is the reason he was continuously chasing me to be the part of this event. So I'm sorry I could not given you this justice. But next year, inshallah, will be free. And yes, sir. Yes, madam. Yes.
Yes, next year is going to be the 5th year.
Yeah.
But yeah, if this year if you like the picture quality, if you like everything to do with picture, then I would proudly say yes, we are shot on Nikon Z9, and it's all for the fact that the world's leading company in camera is with us this year to shoot the complete campaign. The complete camera was given by Nikon to shoot for Sayan, and Sayan also loved the complete camera. So Suhas, how's the experience?
So first of all, I would like to thank Parimal San and entire team for inviting Nikon team members. On behalf of my management team, I would like to thank and wish you all the best. And this association will be, run for a longer time, and we are always there to support you whenever you require.
So
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm very happy. These three partners have been amazing, and if you see the complete hard work, it's all because of them. So thank you once again, sir.
Pleasure.
And
Pleasure.
yes, Asif, thank you. And yes, thanks Suhas for being
Wishing you
here.
a very happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Done?
Yeah, done.
Just do a picture.
Yeah. Done? Thank you.
Thank you.
आइए सर. Thank you.
There are 3 V-Chorus lenses running for the Z30. Each lens will remain the sort of sharp detail and rich textures you just can't get with most entry-class lenses. If you take the Z30 with you all the time to shoot vlogs, this ZDX 16 to 50mm lens is for you. Whether it's scenery, people, selfies, or close-ups, whatever you shoot will come out amazingly sharp. You'll be able to explore huge creative potential. If you want to come up close and personal to a distant subject, this ZDX 50 to 250mm lens gives you an incredible range of coverage. It's a telephoto zoom lens.
What you would like to say for Glamon 2023, although it's a 4th edition?
I was a part of Glamon calendar last year, and I'm really glad that the family is coming up with the 4th edition, and I am here to support actually everyone, because being a model I know what it takes. कितने सबकी मेहनत होती है, not only models पर पूरे क्रू की मेहनत होती है. So I'm here to support the full Parimal Mehta family.
साथ ही हम ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि आप अपने टीम में आपके पूरे ग्रुप में क्या कुछ करते हो?
कुछ भी नहीं, बस जो एक्चुअली ड्रेसिंग की बात करें तो आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर कंफर्ट एंड फैशनेबल एट द सेम टाइम. That's it.
What you would like to say for Mr. Parimal, although he is like showing every year something of the different
Parimal, of course, मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है. He is also Gujarati, I am also Gujarati. So, Guju rocks, everybody shocks. Thank you so much.
What you would like to say for Glamon 2023, as looking at the theme in the poster, you can see the people in the flag, the whole outfit.
पोस्टर अच्छा है, और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल परिमल मेहता को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा. उन्होंने इनवाइट किया मुझे, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. और 2023 जनवरी सबके लिए अच्छा रहे. लास्ट के 2 साल थोड़े से ठीक नहीं रहे हैं, बट अच्छा है. बहुत क्या लग रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. दिल से थैंक यू.
Tell us something about your look. What type of look is like outfit?
सॉरी मैम.
Tell us something about your look.
हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. और अपना को फिट रखना चाहिए, और हेल्थ है तो वेल्थ है. थैंक यू.
What you would like to
परिमल इज़ अ नाइस गाय और उनके जो आउटलुक रहते हैं बड़े अच्छे रहते हैं, बड़े प्यारे रहते हैं और उनका जो कैलिबर है और उनका जो सेंस है वो बड़ी अच्छी जगहों पे काम करता है। तो वही है, इसी तरह से वो लोग काम करते रहें, आगे बढ़ते रहें। थैंक यू सो मच परिमल मेहता फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी। थैंक यू। हैव अ गुड डे।
Photos are another way to share your best moments with your audience.
Yes, ma'am.
Show beautiful detail, rich colors, even in low light indoor scenes or sunsets.
Yeah.
Express your
Come.
memories virtually.
So can you please, you can only say for the audio because again
Parul, volume close.
what you would like to say for Glamon 2023 as we know something this time the theme is something different.
ये तो एक मतलब पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, ऐसी चीज़ है तो सरप्राइज़ है, वो देख के सबको मज़ा आएगा। बी बॉलीवुड थीम है एंड इट्स रियली नाइस, सो यू हैव टू वेट फॉर सरप्राइजेस।
वेल आपने आपके कुछ ओपिनियन दिए थे कि नहीं ऐसे कुछ नहीं, ऐसे कुछ होने चाहिए। ऑल्दो आफ्टर 2 इयर्स द पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन के बाद हम कुछ अलग देख रहे हैं।
हाँ
23 में क्या थे आपके ओपिनियंस?
ओपिनियंस मेरा वही था जो हमने अभी बॉलीवुड थीम किया है, तो वो देख के जो एक नया लुक सबका देखने मिलेगा और एक कैलेंडर का भी एक नया लुक के ऐसे भी कैलेंडर बनता है, वो चीज़ काफ़ी लोगों को एक सरप्राइज लुक में लगेगा।
सर सबसे पहले आपको हैप्पी बर्थडे।
थैंक यू,
आपके जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आज के दिन शुभ अवसर पे, आज के दिन कुछ शुभ अवसर भी होने जा रहे हैं, क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
आज ऑफकोर्स ये ड्यूअल पार्टी है, आज कैलेंडर भी लॉन्च हो रहा है, उसके साथ साथ हम मेरा बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। एवरी ईयर इट्स अ गुड थिंग कि हम उसी दौरान कैलेंडर भी लॉन्च करते हैं, यानी कि सबको मिलना हो जाए, एक साथ सेलिब्रेशन हो जाए। कैलेंडर इज़ ऑल अबाउट बी बॉलीवुड और इस बार इसमें एक ट्विस्ट है, उस ट्विस्ट को हम थोड़ी देर में अनाउंस करेंगे और साथ में आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर दैट इस साल का प्लेटफॉर्म इज़ ऑल्सो शेयर्ड बाय माई वाइफ। शी इज़ ऑल्सो इन द पार्ट ऑफ द कैलेंडर एंड आप उसका एक लुक देखेंगे और उस लुक में वी हैव टू कन्विंस हर अ लॉट कि गेट इनटू द लुक बिकॉज उसको नहीं करना था, बट इट समहाउ वी मैनेज टू गेट हर ऑन दिस थिंग इन द कैलेंडर एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। वो बोलते हैं ना हर सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पीछे औरत होती है, ये तो हमारे कैलेंडर में ही है। सो इस बार का कैलेंडर और हमारा सक्सेसफुल होना ही है बिकॉज येस माई बेटर हाफ इज़ देयर इन द कैलेंडर।
किस तरह का लुक है कुछ बताना चाहिए?
That's why I'm saying it's a surprise.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so
very
much.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Sorry. Not Pena. Come. Yeah.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा यहाँ पे come ahead for the visuals one.
Should we come there? Yeah. You see this?
I saw a billboard. I was like, wow.
Camera.
Chalo.
So hi ma'am, what you would like to say for Glamon 2023, although it's the 4th edition?
I am super excited because I'm a part of it for the first time and it was such an amazing experience. Honestly, the whole shoot went like a breeze and it was more like a fun outing than a shoot and it looks fab.
Shruti, if you can tell us about your look in the calendar.
So I'm playing Nausena, according to him, Devsena from Bahubali, and what a powerful character, and I dressed like that or something like that for the first time ever and it was, I think I looked fab according to me. Rest y'all can like decide. But the whole look with the jewelry, with the makeup, costume, and the Dhanush, which was very heavy, but I think the whole experience was amazing.
How was your experience while whole look and all? Where did you shoot?
It actually took me 2 hours to get in that sari. We were struggling, but when I did, and we did some jugaad with it, it looked so good because like the whole look was exactly the replica of the poster from the film, and I honestly did not expect myself to look like that. And the whole, like, I have BTS and I've been wanting to post it. Now I think I can. Am I allowed
Yes,
to?
absolutely.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I
the
was
biggest challenge with her was the dhanush. I remember that, and that too handling 3 arrows. 3 arrow को 2 उंगलियों के बीच में पकड़ना was a task, and that too giving that still. That's why I kept on telling her, you're not Devsena, you're Nausena. तुम्हारे में 9 लोगों की शक्तियाँ हैं. But that's why you could handle the big dhanush and the arrow, and that's why we loved what we did together, and it was fun. It was fun.
Although we know that 23 has been started, what will be the many more surprises to all the viewers? If you like to say something on that.
Oh, this one is a huge surprise because I was coming here and I saw a huge billboard, and the first thing I did was call my mother and I'm like, listen, I have to come, I have to take you here, and like we have to click a photo in front of this. This was a huge surprise for me also, and I can't wait to see everyone's photos. Other than that, there's work coming, so can't talk about it right now, but you'll see, you'll get to know.
Thank you.
Being a part of Rolling, Shiv Thakre is also a contestant which is in Big Boss house right now. What's your take on that? What's the wishes from your side on this?
Honestly, मैं इतना फॉलो नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो बट मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे जो भी आता है, आई थिंक ही इज़ डूइंग अमेजिंग, एंड मैं जिससे सुन रही हूँ सब बोल रहे हैं शिव ही जीतेगा, तो ही इज़ अ डियर फ्रेंड एंड आई होप ही विंस बिकॉज ही इज़ अ वेरी नाइस पर्सन, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही इज़ डूइंग इन द शो दो, बट जो भी कर रहा होगा अच्छा ही कर रहा होगा, सो टीम शिव.
If you get a chance to do any of the reality show, which it will be?
मैं 4 कर चुकी हूँ यार अभी. Hopefully if I get a call then I'll decide. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think we have somebody else. Picture from Bombay School of Makeup. अगर आज के complete looks अगर आपको देखने मिलते हैं तो ये only and only because of the Bombay School of Makeup and the way they pulled out a complete calendar with the looks. I'm also stunned with his work.
Well, it's I would like to say Parimal was the inspiration. The main thing is that he made it so easy for all of us, like all the artists, that we really didn't have to, work too much on it. And the kind of show that he's pulled up, it's amazing, and that is something only Parimal can do. So my best wishes for Glamon. I'm glad and I'm very happy to be associated with Glamon, and I wish we work together a lot. And this calendar is, you guys, everybody know that it's already successful, and though we want it to reach to another heights, and with the years coming by. All the best to Parimal, and yeah, we look forward for the paparazzi around it.
Well, in the whole calendar, what was the biggest challenge for you while doing the makeup? Because we can see there are different concepts in the Bollywood, right?
Well, actually, I would not say it as a challenge, but I would say it as an opportunity, because he gave us a free hand to explore. Okay, so the entire idea, the way he has explained to us, the way he has put it, inspired us to put an extra effort into it and to achieve what he has imagined. Okay, so the entire concept was so beautiful and so unique that it was definitely a great push for even the artist and our entire team to put a good show. So being on board and being his idea, the way he communicates, yeah, it was fabulous. So I think you got me right.
Shruti and Vaibhav.
Great. So all the best, Parimal. All the best.
Thank you.
Very glad to be here.
Yeah, call.
Solo.
Sure, solo. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Manya.
Come here, this camera. Fuji, go straight and left. Safety, everyone is there.
Thank you. Come, baby.
Yes.
Thank you. Parimal.
Yeah, I'm coming. Should I come in? भाग के.
Please, please.
Solo.
How are you doing, guys? Thank you. Well, there's nobody who does it better than him today. I think he's one of the trendiest, most slickest, and one of the most stylish people I know. And I'm a big sucker for style and clothing and all. And my love for clothing, I think, made me fall in love with him. Apart from the wonderful, wonderful human being he is. So I wouldn't miss this for the world. And I'm so happy to be here. And congratulations to you
Thank you.
both. I wish you all lots and lots and lots of success. They deserve it. They've done some amazing, amazing work. And next time, hopefully, I'll be a part of it. मुझे बाहर रख दिया है कैलेंडर के. सोचो मुझसे बुलवा रहे हैं, मुझे पार्टी नहीं रखा उसका.
So you know, it's a fact. Every year, the people who come up as my guest turns up next year into the calendar.
See?
So see, I hope that it's made in a God's sign that she's here, Ritu is here, and now next year we have her in the calendar as well.
Yes, absolutely. Lovely to be here. Thank you so much, and thank you for the love and support for him and for him. And I'm delighted. Thank you.
Thanks,
All the
Ritu,
best.
for your kind words.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Aye.
Hi, gorgeous. Good to see you.
How are you?
Very good. Fabulous.
Yes, happy
Yeah.
birthday. We like it.
Thank you.
That's okay. They need to take what character they are playing, so they have to can speak.
हाँ बिल्कुल. In fact, same Dipti also na, Rehan. Yeah. Yes, come.
Sir, this way, sir.
Done?
Thank you.
Come.
Thank you.
Yash? Here.
Yes. Rolling?
Rolling.
Anya, क्या कहना चाहोगे? Glamon 2023, it's a 4th edition and you're also part of this.
Yes.
Tell us something about your look as well as how was your experience?
I think Parimal has decided for me to have that look. I'm super excited and it was my first calendar, so thank you for this opportunity.
I'm happy to have you on board.
ये मेरी लाइफ का फर्स्ट कैलेंडर है, तो pretty excited to see myself over there and I'm hoping कि future में भी हम हमेशा ऐसे ही हमारी friendship और हमारा काम साथ साथ चलते रहे.
साथ ही DDLJ वाला जो look
Oh yes.
क्या कहना चाहोगे इस look के बारे में?
मैंने फाइनल अभी तक नहीं देखा है, तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि अब मैं कहाँ देखूँगी, ये बताएंगे मुझे. बट ये आइकॉनिक लुक है बिकॉज व्हेन ही टोल्ड मी दैट यू हैव टू बी काजोल, तो मेरा एक्चुअल नाम ही काजल है. तो
Yeah, and I was not knowing that, honestly speaking.
एंड बचपन से मैं बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन रही हूँ DDLJ की, तो जब ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली तो मुझे सेकंड थॉट नहीं देना पड़ा. एंड ही हैज़ बीन रियली नाइस टू मी फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, सो आई वाज लाइक लेट्स डू इट.
मान्या साथियों में भी जानना चाहेंगे कि बिग बॉस को ना फॉलो करो.
ऑनेस्टली अभी बिल्कुल भी नहीं, बिकॉज आप सब लोग अभी मुझे रेगुलरली कहीं ना कहीं देख रहे हो तो मौका नहीं मिलता. बट आई कीप माई सेल्फ अपडेटेड फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम, तो थोड़ा बहुत जितने भी लोग अंदर बचे हैं मैं उनको कम्प्लीटली सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ. और मेरा प्यार हम सारे इंक्लूडिंग मी 16 के 16 लोगों के लिए है, क्योंकि एक की जीत हम सबकी जीत होगी. सो आई एम होपिंग कि जो भी डिजर्विंग हो उसको ट्रॉफी मिले.
परिमल सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे how was your experience like?
Also, this is very surprising that हम कैरेक्टर ढूंढ रहे थे दिलवाले दुल्हनिया के लिए, मतलब काजोल का लुक was very prominent. इस साल हम कैलेंडर में हर साल हम मॉडल्स को लेते हैं, एक्टर्स को लेते हैं, we just put it across. But इस बार everything was character driven. So we were scanning a lot of people, and all of a sudden I happened to call her up. I had a number, so मैंने बोला यार चांस ले लेते हैं, because अभी बिग बॉस से बाहर आई है, पता नहीं करेगी नहीं करेगी. And I called her up and she was like a sweet person. She said okay मेरा क्या रोल रहेगा, मुझे बताओ कब शूट करना है. And then in 1 hour dot 60 minutes this girl prettily messages me back that yes, I'm in for the calendar. And I was like so happy, because to compete and to meet up to the level of Vishal, I wanted somebody to be there, and she made it there. And I was so happy कि okay, after immediately walking out of after Big Boss, she was there in my calendar, and it was the first venture we ever did, though we were knowing each other. But trust me, it was a great time to be with her and do the complete calendar.
Actually मेरे लिए भी it's like a dream come true.
And I was scared that day when she came to the shoot also, because that day was a very heavy day for us for the calendar shoot, and we were pressed on time. We had a lot of things. We had to do 2 looks with her, but she was very sweet to handle it.
But इन्होंने मुझे पराठे खिलाए, so I think वो equal balance हो जाता है.
मान्या कहीं ना कहीं बिग बॉस में आप भी एक हिस्सा थी उस घर की. अब ऐसे लास्ट के 2 वीक रह चुके हैं, क्या लगता है कि कौन डिजर्विंग है, क्योंकि ट्रॉफी तो किसी एक को ही मिलेगी.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो घर में जितने भी 16 लोग थे ना, इंक्लूडिंग मी, आई थिंक हम सब ही विनर हैं, बिकॉज हम अपना एक सिंगल इंडिविजुअल बैटल लड़ के उस घर में जाते हैं, और वहाँ अलग तरीके का गेम होता है. तो वहाँ जो अभी बचे हैं वो लोगों के प्यार के वजह से बचे हैं, और जो भी जीते इट विल बी लाइक एन ऑनर फॉर एवरी वन ऑफ अस, क्योंकि आई नो कि जो वहाँ पे है वो डिजर्विंग है.
कुछ कंटेस्टेंट्स के थ्रू ऐसे भी पता चला है कि हमें लास्ट टॉप 3 टॉप 5 में होना चाहिए था, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो जगह किसी और को दिया गया है. आपको क्या लगता है, क्या ऐसा कुछ होता है बिग बॉस में?
मुझे इसका कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है. इवन तो मुझे अंदर जाने से पहले मैंने कोई एपिसोड नहीं देखा था, तो मुझे बिग बॉस का भी आइडिया नहीं था. बट मेरा मेन मोटो एक ही था कि मुझे क्योंकि मेरी एज 21 है, मेरा फोकस था कि मैं एज मच एज आई कैन अर्न फॉर माई पेरेंट्स, जितना पैसा कमा सकूँ. तो मुझे ये ट्रिक्स नहीं पता कि किसको आगे लेके जा रहे हैं, किसको पीछे लेके जा रहे हैं. बट जो भी आगे जा रहे हैं, आई थिंक उन्होंने एक अपना ही बैटल वहाँ गेम खेला है, दिमाग से रहे हैं, तो सभी डिजर्व करते हैं यार, किसी को ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहिए.
वेल, एक सरप्राइज तो आपने दे ही दिया है कैलेंडर, बट और भी कौन से सरप्राइजेस आपके और भी रहेंगे? कुछ
ये अनएक्सपेक्टेड था, तो लाइफ में जो भी होगा वो अनएक्सपेक्टेड ही होगा. एंड आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर हम्बल एंड काइंड विद पीपल, खुद से आपके आसपास के जो लोग हैं उनसे, तो कहीं ना कहीं परिमल जैसे लोग आते हैं और आपकी लाइफ में एक स्पार्क दे जाते हैं. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी अनएक्सपेक्टेड, बट आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं जो भी अपनी लाइफ में करूँ, आप सभी को कहीं ना कहीं एक स्टोरी दूँ कि ये जो देख रहे हैं उनको एक इंस्पिरेशन मिले और अपनी लाइफ में सपने देखने की हिम्मत रख सकें. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
आइए खालिद जी.
ओके.
या टेक अ सोलो. आइए खालिद जी, फोटो ले लो इनके साथ, हमारे सेलिब्रिटी के साथ.
अरे यार आओ भाई.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Did we get? Thank you.
Thank you.
कम रहो. यहाँ पे भी सबको सामने मीडिया में बोलना पड़ेगा भाई.
Hi.
Hello, brother.
Good work. I mean, I can see all the.
Thank you so much.